Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
1, 2, 3. As we getting lit tonight.
When I pull up, man, they stop and stare. Forces, make that bitches block from everywhere. Forces, got it looking like a truck show. Forces, cameras flashing here where I go. Forces, when I pull up, man, they stop and stare. Forces, make that bitches block from everywhere. Forces, got it looking like a truck show. Forces, cameras flashing here where I go. Cushion pound and gold around my neck. Bad bitch named Ashley gave me photo sunset. I be all around the country rolling cold. That's pneumonia. Bought a brand new Duramax and threw some American forces on it. Cargo shorts falling down. Got a knot in every pocket. Got a squad of straight killers blowing down off the rocket. 6 speakers breathing hard as I ride the baseline. Got the old truck gang trying to hit my FaceTime. Price is right, bad bitch trying to star in video. I let her shine with big snap and then I dropped a silly hoe. Down on South Beach, then I hit my killer Nick. Linked up with American Force, now I'm running all this shit on them forces. When I pull up, man, they stop and stare. Forces, make bad bitches flock from everywhere. Forces, got it looking like a truck show. Forces, cameras flashing everywhere I go. Forces, when I pull up, man, they stop and stare. Forces, make bad bitches flock from everywhere. Forces, got it looking like a truck show. Forces, cameras flashing everywhere I go. Forces, when I pull up, man, they stop and stare. Forces, make bad bitches flock from everywhere. Forces, got it looking like a truck show. Forces, cameras flashing everywhere I go. Sitting high in Colorado, riding low down in Texas. Amber Rose, bad bitch, riding forces on the Lexus. She gon' meet me in Atlanta. We have sex and then it's breakfast. This right here ain't no checkers. This right here, this some Chechen. Sipping on the Ciroc, popping bottles out the Yeti. I be out in Indian apples like Mario and Andretti. Squeeze up in a foreign with the space hash doors, color coded monster dishes. That's American force. I be crawling across the map, connecting the dots like a sniper. I be parked up in your woods. I be crouching like a tiger. I be down on town square. I be at your State Fair. If you got a mud park, best believe it, I'm there on them forces. When I pull up, man, they stop and stare. Forces, make bad bitches flock from everywhere. Forces, got it looking like a truck show. Forces, cameras flashing everywhere I go. Forces, when I pull up, man, they stop and stare. Forces, make bad bitches flock from everywhere. Forces, got it looking like a truck show. Forces, cameras flashing everywhere I go. Forces, when I pull up, man, they stop and stare. Forces, make bad bitches flock from everywhere. Forces, got it looking like a truck show. Forces, cameras flashing everywhere I go.
Thank you guys for watching. It's the end of season 1. We had burnouts, we had donuts, we had cops. Who knows what season 2 is going to bring. And you guys going to get that next weekend because we have another meet next weekend. So season 2 starts next weekend. And there's another video following up after this one. And another one, and another one, and another one. We're counting down to season 2. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat to stay updated on all these sweet videos that are coming out. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys like on this video, and I'll catch you guys on season 2.